911 operators, what are some of the funniest things someone has called for? It was Father's Day. We had this 5-year-old kid calling at least 6 times. He'd never stay on the line long enough for us to get a good ping on his cell phone. We were finally able to get him to stay on the phone long enough by talking about how his teddy bear was sick. We asked to speak to his parents, and he told us they were in bed and the door was locked, so we asked him to go knock on the door. He then told us he had been locked in his room. Okay, I think we know what's going on now. By this point, we had an officer en route to this kid's house to go make sure everything was okay. The officer arrives on scene. A few minutes go by, then the officer comes over the radio and says, 120 back in service, the teddy bear's 10-4. The officer made his way up to the comm center and proceeded to tell us all that the kid's dad answered the door wearing only boxer shorts, and was more than a little agitated when he found out his son had been calling 911. Apparently, the dad had been getting his Father's Day gift from Mom when the officer showed up.